How you doing? The girls said they don't get a chance to get out with me together, so I brought them both out, and mom, of course, and just said, "Here, you guys just pick a spot, drive back and forth through the mud puddles, out of the whatever you want to do. I'll videotape it, and I'll put a little thing together." Here's Cassie and Shelby whipping around Gill Road on Mighty Max. Enjoy. That was fun, wasn't it? Just a quick video for memory's sake. And then there's mom. You never remember we got back and the mom's like, "Yeah, okay, I'll take a turn." And she goes like 5 kilometers an hour. It's like she's forgotten that she's been riding that thing for years. Mom, for the record, don't ever change. We love you just the way you are.